Welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome.
Wherever you are, whatever you're doing,
Thanks for watching.
So today we got these racks from Tech Van Life, and we're going to install it. There are 3 racks that go across. 1, 2, 3. And yeah, we'll get that installed. And what happened is I was starting to get the stuff prepared to install it. And these weren't fitting. They're inserts that go in the rack, and they just weren't fitting. So I went and got them grinded, and now they fit just fine, so we can finish with the install. So let's get that done right now. So the kit comes with here, let me open one. So they come with 6 of these, and on the Sprinter they'll fit on top of the rail. And then we have these that'll go across like so. So I'm not sure if it's this way or this way they go. I'm thinking it's this way, and this goes here like so. Or maybe up here, I'm not sure, but we'll see once we're up there. So this is the factory roof rail here. And what we're gonna do, see, we grinded these down because they didn't fit, but now they do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slide them in the rail like so. And then when we tighten it, it's gonna hold the brackets. So we're gonna start with the first brace here. So we're gonna put our bolts approximately where we want them. And then the bracket will fit inside those bolts. And here we have a couple washers. And some nuts. And we're going to install all this loosely for now. And then when we know exactly where we want this to go, we'll tighten it. So let me get all these brackets installed. So for some reason, the way they have this is there's 2 bars that are going to go at the front and the rear. And in the center here, it seems like there's only going to be 1 bar. So we'll keep going by just loosely installing this. Now also with the kit comes these rails. Let's unpack them. Now these rails, they come with these here bolts, and they use an Allen key at this end. So they go right in this hole right here where my finger is. So like I said, this one uses 2 bars. And they just go like this here. And if you notice everything's loose, it's because we're not sure where we want to put the rails just yet. Oh, sorry guys. So, oh. And I figure if ever you want to put stuff on, you can slide in some bolts right in here, and then you'd have bolts so you can basically put whatever you want. Lights, solar panels, those boxes for extra storage. Now we'll go over at this end and do this end as well. Same thing. And see what I'm thinking, if you want to install like this, you could put the bars like that, right? And slide the bolts in. Or if you want something sleek, like let's say solar panels, but you don't want them on top, you could put them, see, or this way too. So it's actually a pretty good rack. Gives you a bunch of options. And I like that there's 2 rails in the front, 2 rails in the back. Makes it quite a bit stronger if you're carrying stuff on it. So I'll see how everything's loose there, but we'll figure out where we want it after. So I'll keep doing that for the rest.
I'm excited. I know, it just doesn't, I don't know, it feels odd. Oh, wow. Game changer. She's long.
Should I have left it on though? Hold on.
Why should you have left it on? Oh, so you don't scratch it. Can't have nice stuff. So what comes in that box?
The slicing kit and the...
Oh, the stick for it.
Yeah. Oh, and these here.
The plates?
The plates, yeah. This is what it's going to sit on. That I got to go install on top. See back here where it's written support? So this here, basically we're going to install like this here. Or like this here. And where it says support, we got to drill a couple holes underneath here. And that's what's going to hold everything together. Yeah. Pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.
And that's it. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to measure. So from center to one side to center to the other side is 57 inches. And then I'll take down the roof rail here. And that's going to be where the roof rails are going to be to install the awning. So right now we're just tightening the bracket bolts. So then we can install the awning. Hello. Yeah. 57 inches from here to the center here. And from here to there is where I'm going to have to bolt in. See where it says support on the awning? Well, I'm figuring we're not going to hit all those support because... Okay, we'll see how this goes. Okay, now we got all our brackets tight. I'm going to start installing the plates. So with the middle here, it uses this one, and then at the ends, it uses the wider one. So there's something definitely wrong with these brackets. Nothing's fitting. I gotta MacGyver everything here, so I don't know what to tell you. Not impressed. Anyway, it's like I need a spacer now for these here. It's a never-ending problem with these freaking things here right now. So now it seems like the back one and the front one fit properly, but the middle one doesn't. But I think I'll be able to make it work. This is what I'm thinking here for the middle one. Now correct me if I'm wrong. But see, it does fit, right? So it does fit. It's just I won't be able to put the little bolt from underneath. See how there's a hole here? Well, it won't fit that way. So what I'm going to have to do is just do the front and the rear. In the center, well, it'll just be supported by here. I think that should be lots. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm thinking I'm gonna be fine, but I'm not 100% sure, is the center bracket here. I'm not gonna use it because what's happening is this here is higher than the two other ends. So it's higher than over there and over there. So what happens, it doesn't want to stay flat. So right here it's leaning on the van, so it doesn't really need a center support bracket is what I'm getting. Not 100% sure, but that's what we're gonna do anyways here. So I just got to drill my holes and put my brackets on and then come up here and install everything, and yeah, that's it. Cool.
So today is the big day, installing the shower rack. I love it. You?
Yeah. We got to tweak it out there. It's all custom made, so when we open it, it's kind of a little bit in the door. So we're just going to move it.
That's gonna be a game changer. Now, what are you doing there?
That's the shower. That's the shower stall.
That's gonna be
go up here.
sweet.
Boom.
So it's on. Sweet. So everybody's still sleeping. Today's the big takeoff day. And it's snowing. Yay. Oh, am I blessed with you? Oh my. We're leaving to go on a big road trip. Did you come say bye to us? Eh? Wow. That is a true blessing. Eh? You saying bye to Charlie? Are you saying bye to Charlie? Wow, aren't you a beauty? Bye-bye. See you next year. Stay safe out there. Look who came to see us off. Our little friend this summer. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I know, what a treat, eh? But all the attention doesn't go to you today. We have to say bye to everyone.
Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Sheila.
And welcome to This Life of Ours.
is on its way.
Snowplows are ready.
Are you scared about that?
We're not scared of snow. We're Ontarians.
So our luck just keeps going. Oh no, there's a pump. What's going on now?
Looks like this side's busted too.
No diesel here.
No diesel here.
And the storm is on the way. We're checking it out. There's a weather advisory. So we're gonna try this spot on Overlander. Carpool. This might work for us. Well, that was a 5.5 hour drive. It's starting to snow now and there's a weather warning report out. So we've decided to just stay here at a car park for the evening and it'll work for us. There's nobody here. And if a snowplow has to come in, we parked ourselves far in the corner, so we should be good here. We're gonna make some supper and call it a night. It's been a long day. Good night. Talk to you in the morning. So we had a good sleep last night. Overlander was right. It is quite busy here, but nobody bothered us. Little loud, slept through it, no problem. And it's like a winter wonderland here. We're gonna get on the road soon and go get us some warm coffee and start trekking the rest of the way because I think winter caught up with us.
What we do when we get up early in the morning, we get up and get out right away because other people might need this morning, so we're off.
Well, we had a nice dodo here.
Yes, and now it's time to
Carry on. Well, that was a really nice place to rest our head for the evening.
Yeah, this is looks like a logging road. It's just off the highway here, so one day when we're back in Ontario, we're gonna come explore this.
But now we have to try to beat Old Man Winter and we're losing.
We're losing the race.
Losing that race, I think, yeah. Well, we're gonna have fun along the way anyway, so buckle up, get ready for a winter ride. She's a bumpy one.
Now we'll take it out of four-wheel drive here, hit the highway.
Well, the highway looks nice and clean.
Yeah, right on.
Perfect. So we pulled over here for a minute and we noticed these paws. Check that out.
Yep.
So you say they're wolf paws?
Definitely wolf paws. The way they walk, and see how they stay in the same trail.
Yeah, pretty much. Wow.
So when they're walking in snow, it makes it easier.
So he's walked out. He's still yet to come back in. Let's get out of here. Well, good morning from Frosty Walmart. Mike ran in, got a couple things. He got the windshield washer fluid and vinegar.
Vinegar.
It's a cold day, eh?
Oh yeah. I think we can start her up now.
Yeah.
-7. It's not too cold. It's been colder.
I don't know, it feels freezing. We don't have this Ontario winter skin as thick as we did.
See how cold she is.
Oh yeah. Oh man, winter's catching up with us. We gotta go. That was a little scary there. Here, can I give you this? Take a picture?
Yeah.
So you're gonna put some windshield washer fluid in?
Yes, I will.
Much needed.
Yeah, and I picked up a spare one because it was on sale.
Oh, okay, good.
So it's better than buying it at the gas station for $5-6.
Yeah, true. Oh, that must be cold out there. I feel bad for his fingers. This is gonna be year 3 we haven't seen winter. How was that?
Freaking cold.
Wow, we were tough Ontarians.
Yeah, but there's a wind coming off the Lake Superior here that's makes it super colder.
Yeah, it's really cold here. For tough Ontarians, it's cold. So we decided to stop in at Timmy's and get a coffee. We don't usually buy coffee, we usually make it in the van, but we're out. Could have ran into Walmart, but when we're in the city, we treat ourselves to a nice coffee at Timmy's. You got us a nice coffee?
Yeah.
So what was going on in there? Was it busy?
Oh, not bad, not bad. Oh,
That's gonna feel nice.
extra large, good for me and you.
Yeah, actually we share an extra large. It's more than enough coffee for us.
Let's rinse out our cups and
Oh yeah, my happy birthday balloon's still there. It's doing good though, even in Ontario winter in a van.
yeah. What's going on, Sheila?
Oh, don't ask. We decided to get a duvet cover with a duvet. And it's a nightmare in van life. Unreal. But that's all we have to do, so.
Yeah, it'd be easier on a full-size bed where you can walk around, eh?
Yeah, and on internet it shows, oh, do the duvet inside out. Yeah, okay, tried it, doesn't work. Better off getting in the duvet cover, figuring out where the cords are and going from there, and I already screwed up. So we need to give Ruby a good wash since there's a lot of salt on the highways. You think we're gonna fit in here?
By my calculation, yes.
With the wood stove pipe on. Let me check and see. Yeah. She's pretty dirty too. She needs a good wash. Pretty cool. This car wash is heated. Be good. Be kind.
And wash the salt off your vehicle.
Bye. Wow, she's squeaky clean.